What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a perm rod tutorial, so if you came here to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna grab these orange perm rods that I got from my local beauty supply store. You can find them at your local beauty supply, and we're gonna just hop right into the nitty-gritty of this video. So first I'm gonna use my Tangle teaser. I'm gonna smooth out my hair completely because you don't want any type of texture. The ideal thing for this is to make sure you don't have texture. But I'm going to take the African Pride Rose Water Curl Mousse, and I'm going to apply that to each section. I've already applied my leave-in, which I used Taraji P. Henson's Ride or Die leave-in. So just to give you guys some context. And I'm going to smooth my cuticles with my Tangle teaser. This is the big ultimate one that you can find at Ulta Beauty Supply Store. Now, the first time I did this is the wrong way, so I'm going to show you guys the wrong way of doing this. So you guys see how I was struggling to get that on the pole, and then when I finally secured it, it was all that gap at the top of my hair where it's gonna droop down. That's not cute. So we're gonna start all the way over on this one. Now, although this is not necessarily perfect, but like I said, this is my first time doing the orange perm rods. I've never done a set with this. Normally I twist my hair up in a twist out a mechanism first, and then I wrap it around on a small perm rod, the little gray ones. This time is my first time using the orange ones, and I must say I did an amazing job. So you guys seen the clip in the beginning. If you want to see how to get that look and you a novice, you ain't never tried it before, or you tried it before, you gonna love this. So one thing I learned is to smooth the ends. You want to smooth it and smooth it and smooth it until it can't be smooth no more. So that's what I did. I followed Daylesoul and Nae2curly, and I must say my ends were very, very smooth in the final outcome. The issue becomes when you start to ravel it up. You think it's gonna be a little whirlwind, a little twirly whirly like they did in their videos, and they did it so effortlessly. But for your girl, it took several tries to try to master this. I actually didn't come on camera until I felt I had at least been able to secure at least 2 of these in a time span. So yeah, you don't get me started. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try this, practice this, but you guys here with me. You see the struggle.
Purchase your tracks today.
I know y'all saw how I just completed that with simplicity. But yeah, your girl is a professional perm rodder now. Book your appointments now at 281-330-8004. Nah, I'm just joking. Okay, I'm gonna do one more slow-mo for you. So you're gonna wrap the ends, make sure they're real smooth. And if you guys notice, I take that strand of hair really taut and I begin to roll it up a little. Try not to roll it on top of each other. And then I begin to wrap to do the, what do they say? Whirlwind, help me out. We're gonna just call it a tornado. We're gonna do the tornado motion. And then I make sure that if, let's say I clamp this top, right? And it's still loose, like that first example I did in the beginning of this video, the wrong way. If I did it like that, I know that I need to go back and re-wrap my hair around the root and then secure it. So you guys gonna see that. I don't know if I'm gonna redo it or I'm gonna show you right here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna show you. See how I'm rotating that? That's what you wanna do.
300 Cam Music.
It's the only way we know how to rock. Started when we were younger. Okay guys, I'm about to take out these perm rods and I hope that it does good. I'm about to leave and go somewhere, so I hope this looks good. But yeah, this is 360. It's fully dry. I took out one of them. I don't know how to unravel it, but we gonna just see how this goes. It has a nice spring to it. And yeah, just watch me, unravel these perm rods. And yeah, I'm using the TPH Glow Up Pure Oil Blend. It's supposed to illuminate, boost, and polish for all hair types. So I'm going to use this as my oil to help eliminate frizz and, all that jazz. So I'm about to use that. And yeah, enjoy.
300 Cam Music.
shiny. It's very, very shiny. Okay, so we're gonna make sure this oil blend is open. It don't look like it's open yet. We're gonna do the first one I took out. We're gonna separate it. Let's see which way it flow. Do it flow this way? Yeah, looks like it. We on and popping. Okay guys, so I'm gonna come back after I fluff out my hair. So far, it's looking super defined, guys. I did a really, really good job. Especially for this being my first time doing a perm rod set on big rods. You seen those orange rods were really big. So normally I do it on the small ones. And I also twist my hair first, like a twist out, and then I proceed to wrap it, because that gives it like a better definition in my opinion. But your girl didn't even need that in this. Look at Shirley Temple. I'm done. Shirley Temple. I don't know how the back look because I ain't looked at that yet. But mind your business on that. We gonna fluff this out and I'm gonna come back once I fluff it. I'm just gonna fluff the roots and then that's it. So I'm gonna separate more as I need it. Stay tuned for the final results. And I'm gonna do my makeup and all of that so you'll get a final look. All right, see y'all in a second. So guys, this is what my hair looks like when it's fully fluffed. I can't wait to see how it gets bigger and bigger and bigger because I'm not gonna hit a blow dryer on the roots for a perm rod set because it looks amazing. I mean, look guys, It looks good. The only drawback is I didn't get a lot of volume. Even though I picked at the roots, I didn't get a lot of volume on this look. But like I said, it's gonna get bigger as time goes by, so I'm not mad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope to see you in the next video. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been dropping out more bangers back to back, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like this content. And there will be more content coming. There will be skincare, there will be more lifestyle videos, there will be all that good stuff coming very soon. So please turn on the bell so you get notifications of every single video that I drop. And yeah, without further ado, let's do a 360 of the whole view of this when I'm fully with my makeup, so y'all can get a good depiction of how I may look on you.